Hi guys. First of all, congratulations for getting placed. Can we have a rapid fire session? One word to describe your interview experience.
It is competitive.
It's challenging.
It's insightful.
It's encouraging.
It's excited.
It's amazing.
One skill every aspiring software engineer should master.
Quick learning.
Problem solving.
Communication.
Critical thinking.
Analytical thinking.
Technical adaptability.
Technical or HR round? Which one was tougher?
Technical round.
For me, it's also technical round.
For me, it's HR.
Same HR round.
For me, it's HR round.
HR round.
One book or website or a platform that helped you the most.
W3 schools.
Hacker rank.
OGF.
Geeks for Geeks.
Lead code.
Instax.
One placement tip in under 10 seconds.
Be consistent. Practice daily.
Use Instax. Perform well.
Be regular and believe in yourself.
Be confident.
Do practice daily.
Be confident. Practice daily.
Okay guys, once again, congratulations everybody.
Thank you, CVCORP, for getting us placed.